We would like to introduce you to a plasma cutter with a work table of 3 meters by 1.5 meters, and a gas cutting function using an excellent torch from Harris. Our cutter is distinguished by its solid, reliable, and massive design, which has been appreciated by customers cutting large and heavy metal sheets. The gate is based on double aluminum profiles specially designed for the construction of high-precision CNC equipment. Full synchronization of movement in the X and Y axis ensures parallel movement of the gate. A clearance of 240 mm allows cutting profiles up to 200 mm high. Conveyor balls will make it easier to put the sheet metal on the work table. Ensure your safety with numerous emergency switches. The THC system will extend the life of the consumables and burner by detecting the shape of the sheet metal and automatically adjusting its height. ACS prevents collisions and protects your burner from damage. AMS automatically corrects the sheet position data on the table. You will save material and time regardless of the sheet position. The ability to control the torch with a joy pad included in the kit will significantly facilitate the processing of large sheets without having to stand at the desktop. GCS is a fuel-oxygen cutting system that will allow you to cut sheets up to 150 mm. This allows you to cut thin sheets with plasma and thicker ones with a Harris torch. SFS allows the controller to be ready for use in less than a minute. Do you see how simple it is? A full-featured PC with a high-speed SSD and Windows operating system is fully ready to go as soon as it starts up. On the desktop you will find my Plasma CNC, my Mini CAD, my Libre CAD, software installed with which you will design and make all the details you need. Do you really think that was it? This was just the beginning of what we can offer you. Trust Otinus Aftercare. Having consulted with our regular customers, we are confident that we understand your needs. We provide comprehensive support not only for the first phone call, but also long after the purchase. We have experienced staff to take care of your peace of mind. Our technician will come to your company, install the machine, and train your employees. We will tailor the training to your needs so that you have full satisfaction in the development of your business. Don't wait weeks and months for an answer. Our technician will not leave you alone. What sets us apart from the competition is our efficient service and constant contact with customers. Otinus Academy is an ever-growing e-learning platform created for Otinus brand customers. By purchasing it, you will gain a year's access to online courses to effortlessly train a new employee or refresh your knowledge from training. Check out our website at otinus.com and get familiar with our offer.